Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up the vlogging system for a GoPro camera. The GoPro camera is world renowned. You can take it anywhere. I personally love taking it out when I'm doing exploring, ghost hunting, action stuff in Wales, coming down zipline down the mountains, go-karting, ice skating, anything like that. This camera is the dogs. But can you vlog with it? People want to know. People do vlog with it, and I'm going to show you how. Now this setup will apply to GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7 and the new 8. I actually have the 5. I don't have the newer versions, but the basics are the same. So all we need for a successful vlog setup, that you can go out everyday vlogging, if people still do vlogs anyway, or you just want better audio because the GoPro internal microphone is not as good as, say, a Rode mic. So this is how we do it. First of all, you need one of these metal cages. It should come with a UV filter that just screws on the front of here. You've got the cover to keep that protected, and all you do is you get your GoPro and you slide it in. Now if it's a bit tight, you have this screw here, this metal screw, and you just tighten it up like so. You need one of these. This is an extender adapter for external microphone to attach to your GoPro. And what it does, it plugs into the C-type hole on the side. All we do, you get your Rode mic or any other external mic with a 3.5mm jack. You just plug it in. Now with this cage, you can attach, it's got a hot shoe on the top, and you just attach it, slide it on, do up the microphone, and there you go. We also need this attachment for the bottom of the GoPro cage. We'll screw it in like so. It's very simple, very quick. Then we get our tripod, screw it on the bottom like that, and we are ready to vlog. Take the cover off the lens, and there we go. We have the quality of the GoPro, the wideness of the angle, the shot, with the very good improved quality of audio. Now it's not too big, is it, to walk around and vlog? I think that's not too bad. You could probably attach this somehow if you wanted to with some tape. I'm now going to show you some clips of the internal audio from the GoPro Hero 5, and also the same sort of footage using the external Rode mic attached. So firstly, this is the internal audio from the GoPro Hero 5 itself. Nothing's connected, no Rode mic, no external mic. This is out of the box as it sounds. It's not too bad, but it could be better. Now let's hear what the external microphone sounds like. So here you go guys, this is the audio from the external Rode mic connected to the GoPro, and as you can hear, it's more crystal clear than the internal microphone. This will help all your videos, improve your videos, and give you better quality. So there you go guys, as you can see, the quality is so much better. Everything in this video will be down below in the description. It's on Amazon. Go check it out if you're interested. If not, thanks for watching. If you are, great. I hope this video helped you. If you want to vlog, maybe you just want to do some filming, but you need better quality audio. This adapter is going to do for your audio. It's going to be so much more superior. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. You guys have been awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.